Hey everybody, Chris here. Could we be looking at a breakout for Dogecoin on the horizon? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams, because I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. So do tune in there. Join in the chat, ask questions. We cover a lot wider, a broad range of things than just Doge, but we keep up to date on Doge as well. So, Dogecoin, I know a lot of you are a bit worried what's going on with the price of Dogecoin. It has been lagging now for, over a year now. It hasn't really taken off. We've had a few little spikes, but it's always settled back down. But you know how Doge trades, though. We've been talking about this time and time again on this channel. When you least expect it, it can take off. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the news about Dogecoin breakout on the horizon. Let's take a look. So as we're taking a look at the Dogecoin chart to start with, this is on the hourly. We do see this meandering trading since we saw this dip back here on Friday. We did have a run up here on Sunday morning. That run up was pretty strong, especially when you look at the Bitcoin chart, and there was no run up on Sunday. Bitcoin has just been trading flat, hovering just above 42K, little bit of a dip below here on Sunday evening, where Doge's dip, this dip did just touch below 8 cents, but it would have been much lower if we didn't have that little run up there on Sunday morning. So that run up there did help save Doge in terms of its price. And where Doge goes from here, we will see as the trading of Bitcoin spot ETFs are paused again on Monday because of Martin Luther King holiday. The United States exchanges for stocks, which the ETFs are traded on, not open. So we will wait on Tuesday to see what happens there. However, with Doge, what is coming on? Well, something big looms on the horizon for Dogecoin. Dogecoin sets sail to rise. Here are factors that can catalyze the growth. That's right, Doge might be on the verge of soaring to new highs as the crypto market is gradually wriggling out of the losses accrued in the past week. The price mark, though still in the bearish zone, is an improvement compared to the more than 4% loss printed earlier in the day. While the periphery data outlook shows gloom, crucial market data from Into the Block points out a fundamental shift that might spark a mega rally in the long term. The ITB data shows a shift in both whale addresses and active daily wallets on the network. Whales are making a splash on Dogecoin at the moment, with overall volume trading coming in at over $1 billion, up 17% in 24 hours. The daily active addresses have jumped by 0.6%, total of 57,180 recorded at the moment. Dogecoin has been an attractive force for retail buyers over time. However, the dramatic shift it is eyeing at the moment is most likely going to be driven by whales, owing to their relative consistency in keeping the uptrend drive. So that's what we see with the whale data. Can Dogecoin do a price breakout? Do we see that coming? Why this week will be important for the Dogecoin price. We've seen the price bounce. A descending resistance trend line that had stood for a while. We'll show how that looks on the bigger scale, though, in just a minute. Daily time frame shows Doge still trades in an ascending parallel channel. So we are still in that channel, and we know with this solid 8-cent support that Dogecoin does tend to dip below, but then it just gets eaten right back up and bought up, and Doge comes back up. And we have seen that time and time again over the past weeks. So with that, where are these price rebounding to go to? Well, our good friend Ali says 10 cents and is eyeing this 10-cent move coming for Dogecoin. The uptrend could be attributed to the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETFs that will help over time. Moreover, Elon Musk expressed strong support for Doge recently, boosted confidence in the Doge community. So we do have that. Elon did say there was this Dogecoin joke that was sort of the first thing that was transmitted last week that we saw Elon talk about. So a bold yet promising prediction regarding the Dogecoin price amid the extremely volatile sessions. He expects the meme crypto to rebound to that 10-cent mark and can even surge higher. So what is that about? Well, this is Ali Martinez, and he's talking about this breakout move coming forward of Dogecoin getting past the resistance level of 8.8 cents. And then World of Charts also noted if Doge breaks that level, its price can soar by 45 to 50%. What does that look like? Well, Cryptolica posted this on the weekly chart. This is the overall look of Dogecoin and its past. What have we seen? We have seen Dogecoin trade down in a bearish market, hit the bottom, go through a pre-run period, and then once it hits that final support line, takes off. It did it here in 2017, and then a similar thing, bearish pattern, hits a bottom, there's a pre-run, hits a support, and then takes off. That was 2021. Where are we now? Bearish pattern, right? We've hit the bottom. The bottom was actually June of 2022 when Doge came down and hit 4.95 cents. So that leads us into this pre-run, and what comes through this pre-run once we hit a key support line? Well, that would be the next big breakout for Doge. That's what we're looking at coming, is when is that next big breakout going to be? We've been talking about Elon Musk and SpaceX, the Doge 1 mission. Could that be the next one? Or is it something bigger that could be later, maybe in the summer with X payments? It's one of those big catalysts. What propels Dogecoin up? So you have to think, do you want to be sitting on the sidelines not having your Doge when that big breakout happens? Or are you going to be locked and loaded and ready with your Doge? Playing these games about swing trading and things like that, you don't know with Doge. You just don't know. I know there's some other memes that take off every now and then, and you want to be part of those, but that doesn't mean it has to be all or nothing. So having some Doge while you've got some other memes as well, that's a good strategy, I think, because you don't know when they're going to take off. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the current trading of Doge, and what do you see on the horizon? Give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.